Our challenge of the week is McDonald's in a blender. So we went to McDonald's, we picked up every single item on their dollar menu value picks.
So we're gonna see who can drink the most in 30 seconds.
Let's do this. Okay, what are we starting with?
Okay.
Cheeseburger? Oh god, what is that?
Cheeseburger, bacon cheese.
It's a hamburger.
That's just a
hamburger.
cheeseburger.
It says ham on it.
It's a cheeseburger.
It says hamburger, mate.
Where?
Oh shit, it does say cheeseburger. Okay, cheeseburger. One cheeseburger.
It's the baked apple pie. Strawberry.
Baked apple pie. Fieldberry.
Oh my god, my stomach's starting hurting.
Okay, I can go. There we go.
That's not gonna fit.
Get your cheeseburger in here! This thing's half gone already. Okay, let's do the small fries. Alright. We've got a small coffee, black coffee. We've got a McDouble. What the hell is a McDouble? Okay. Man, is that everything? Oh, we need the junior chicken in there. Okay.
Not all fit.
This is not an all fit, but you gotta get the chicken in there. Alright, junior chicken going in.
So maybe this isn't gonna all work.
Nasty shit. Okay, that's enough in there. You guys can see that, right? We'll put it in the middle there.
Wait, anything else?
Yeah, your fucking bacon cheese. Get that in there, or whatever that is, yeah.
I'm enjoying it beforehand. It's fine with it.
I'll take some fries. I really felt like this is fucking disgusting. Look at that, full to the brim. Everything on the dollar menu. Value packs. Okay, let's try to blend this.
Stop.
Yeah.
Well,
Blend it up a bit more. That's fucking thick. Okay, it's gonna be a bit chunky. Hope you're okay
I
with
don't
that.
want a chunk.
That's gonna be a bit chunky.
That's not drinkable. You gotta keep blending it.
It's like a shake.
No, it's not. There is chunks
This is their new
French fries in here.
Fuck, that's stinky. Oh god, that stinks. Why is this? What do we have that's green?
Pickles.
Oh, that's the lettuce or pickles, yeah.
Guess you're gonna have to drink
There's
the
no
whole
way
thing.
I'm not drinking the whole fucking thing. There's no way. Here we go.
I'm not drinking that. I'm not
Drinking it.
drinking
Oh,
it.
that's
You
like,
have to blend it more.
that looks like some chunks of cheese in
It's
there. You can see the
fucking
chunks of
disgusting.
cheese. This is not a drink. We're gonna chew this. Okay, she's gonna set the timer. So whoever drinks the most in 30 seconds wins. The loser has to drink it all. It smells like puke is what it smells like. I don't smell peanut butter. Peanut butter smells okay. This is disgusting. You ready for this? Give it your all. Cheers. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, go. Oh my god, she's doing it.
I can't.
She's doing it. Did you swallow? Oh god. Did you swallow? What's wrong? Get out! Get away from me! Is it in your mouth? Okay, I gotta beat her.
No,
I got 12 seconds. I gotta get a good chugging. Good chugging. Come on, baby. Okay, come on. Come on. Don't you fuck. Oh, fuck, it stinks like puke.
I can't. I seriously can't. You fucking did it.
That's all of it. That's not it. It's so gross. It tastes like puke.
In my teeth.
You want it out. That's not good. Just give me something to drink. It tastes like puke. Seriously. Ow. Oh fuck. Fuck this, I gotta get out of here. Oh. Get out my fucking puke ball. I'm out. Fuck this. Is it on my face?
No, I can't.
Impossible. I took a good...
You took a good swing. I just got it in my mouth. I didn't even swallow it. I couldn't swallow it.
I need something to drink. I can't even like swallow it.
Your eyes are red.
I'm crying, yes.
You swallowed
We
it.
failed. I took a swig, I swallowed, so technically I won. But I understand she can't drink all that. I'd like to see somebody challenge our challenge. See if you can drink that. Everything on the quick picks. Whatever it is, the dollar menu. Oh my god. Next week we'll have another challenge.
Technically you win, so you...
Technically I win.
Because I didn't even swallow
Oh, painful. I think I'm okay now. Holy shit.
Would you like
Post in the comments if you have recommendations for challenges. We might pick one of yours. Ooh, a pie to wash it down. Yes, please. Okay. Peace out. Fuck this.